Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the magical Smithfield Christmas Market, right here in the heart of Dublin. From the moment you step into this winter wonderland, you'll be greeted by twinkling lights, cozy wooden chalets, and the aroma of delicious festive treats. Whether you're searching for handcrafted gifts, savoring mulled wine, or gliding across the ice rink, there's something here to spark holiday joy for everyone. And don't miss Ireland's first ever ice museum or the dazzling big wheel with stunning city views. So, grab your scarves and gloves, and let's dive into the enchantment of the Smithfield Christmas Market. Hope you will enjoy my brief tour about the Christmas market. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Today I am here at the Smithfield Christmas Market. As you can see, ayan ang Ferris wheel. And then, pasok tayo sa kanilang market, Christmas market. I'll be real quick. So this is the Christmas market. They have their elves and Santas there. You can picture in the snow globe like that. Ayan. Daming food, like they have this dog. K-dog, Korean hot dog. Ferris wheel. Okay, so puros food. Ay, puros food ang kanilang mga benta-benta. There. Loaded fries. And then they have these Belgian waffles there. Ayan, ang dami, nasasarap. Ayan, mga display. There's a chocolate world. They have the white and chocolate fondue there. There's a Santa Claus over there. Dali, pasok ako ulit. Yan, bumalik ako sa mga Belgian food. There. What's in here? Oh, mga kain-kain. You know, they have the pudding cocktails. There. Here, parang merong bar. You can taste their hot mulled wine and the hot chocolate Baileys. Here, they have the mini Dutch pancake. There's pancake over there. Okay. Pasok ako doon. inside here, marami pa rin food, luxury chocolates, bed by babies. Lumabas ako kasi sara yun. Here, yung mga, what do you call that? Yun. Ito na yung ice skating rink nila, oh. There they have the jewelry shop here for gift bags. Ayun, yung skating rink. Hindi makapasok. Hindi pwedeng pumasok. Skates sa loob. Ito yung ice museum. Pero hindi ako makapasok. Kailangan ng ticket. And you have to book para makapasok. Mabalik na ako, guys. Go back. There. Ayan. Mga nag-ice skates. Gagaling nila. O, ayun o. May penguin. Yan. Pabalik na ako. Sasakay na kami sa luwas. Ganyan lang pala kaliit. Kala ko medyo malaki-laki siya. Di naman pala. Oh, ito. Here is my generator. Hotel din pala dito, oh. It smells good. Oreo Crush cookies. Dito ako ngayon sa kabila. Dito naman is crepe. Yan. Si ate gumagawa ng crepe ko. Yan. Dito is chicken. Chicken wings, chicken stock, boneless chicken, nachos. And here is donuts and churros. There. Yan. And I'm back at Ferris wheel. wheel. Ito lang pala ang meron dito. Anyway, it's nice. There. Ayan yung mga nasa loob ng snow. May kasama na siya. Sinong kasama niya? Bye-bye, Ferris wheel. Night. Bye.